In this video we'll be looking at expressions, equations and functions. They are all very similar, however they do have some distinct differences, and that's exactly what we're going to look at in this video. So questions like this do come up in exams from time to time, although they are not that common. So let's start off with expressions. Expressions are a finite collection of terms that do not contain an equals sign. I like to think of this as like a clause in English, so it doesn't really make much sense on its own, but it can be added to, for example, by an equals sign to make a bit more sense. So examples of this would be 3x plus 4y, 90 minus 8yz, and 16 plus 2x minus 3a. Obviously this list will be infinite, but this is just a few examples to get your head around it. Okay, equations. Equations are similar to an expression, but it does have an equal sign, and that equal sign is used to make a statement about something. So looking at the examples, we've got 3x plus 4y is equal to 7, x squared minus 4 equals 12, and another example we could have in there is x plus 3 equals 2x minus 1. So this could also have another expression each side, but the equals is linking them, saying they are equal for some value of x. Okay, and finally a function. So functions are similar to equations, but they have a specific input variable and an output variable to match, whereas an equation could have multiple input variables. And functions are often signified by this f of x that you see here. So examples of this would be f of x equals 6x plus 3x squared. Notice how we've only got x's as the input variables, and likewise we've got f of x equals 20 minus 7x cubed. So you could have something like f of y equals 3y plus 5y squared. You could have other variables other than x, but it will always be signified in this bracket by the f here. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that helped.